Yo everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Lush haul. I have not done a Lush haul in ages. I do shop there quite a lot. I buy all my hair stuff from there, as in my shampoo and conditioner, because I find that my head gets less itchy. I've got a very sensitive scalp. Normal shampoos just don't work well with me. They give me a really itchy head, and the one that I use, just in case anybody's interested, is Rehab. But anyway, so what I'm going to be showing you today is all brand new limited edition stuff which has been released for Christmas. As you guys may or may not know, Lush tend to release all of their holiday, Christmas, Halloween related stuff, etc. in October, and obviously it's October now. So I went there yesterday. Let's be honest, Lush is not a cheap shop by any means, but I love their stuff. It's very natural ingredients, etc. So here's my bag. So I'm going to show you all the things that I got. I didn't get any of the Halloween related stuff just because I had a sniff and I was like, nah. Okay, so let's start off with the classic. The classic being Snow Fairy. Oh my God, love this stuff. It smells like candy floss and sweeties. There are lots of people that actually don't like this. They find it a bit too saccharine, a bit too sweet. But for those of you that have got your sweet tooth kind of smells that you love, like me, you will absolutely love this. So I bought this in the medium size. It comes in a large bottle and a very small bottle as well. I am actually using up the last one that I bought last year. The sell by date on these is normally for 1 year. So this says this was made on the 25th of August. And I have to use it by the 25th of October. So that's almost over a year, because a lot of the ingredients in here are fresh. So that's why they have a year sell by date. And I generally tend to buy a couple between October and December, and then I use them throughout the year. So like I said, in my bathroom right now, I'm using my last Snow Fairy that I bought last year. So that's why I've bought another one of this. They also released this year. Oh my God. Snow Fairy body spray. Oh my, look at it. And it's like, you know, in the kind of spray that you get for like your cleaning stuff. So it is a body spray. It is pricey, it's £20, but then like I said, Lush is not cheap. It's 200 ml, so a little bit will go a really long way. It will last a really long time. I sprayed it a couple of times in store and I was like, I'm in love, because I like to layer scents on myself. My actual body lotion that I use is Aveeno, which is unscented, and I use it because it's great for people that have got very sensitive skins. It's quite affordable as well. But other things and scents I tend to layer. So I will first off obviously use this, followed by my Aveeno, followed by a nice squirt of this. So I'll be smelling like sweets all day long. They also had a Snow Fairy jelly bomb, which is a bath bomb. Let's open it. So again, with the whole layering thing. So for those of you that don't know what bath bombs are, you literally fill up your bath and then you plonk it in. Here's what it looks like. You plonk it in and it will fizz, and you can lay in it and marinate in your own smells, that sort of thing. I'll be honest with you, I'm not a really big bath person. I used to be a lot more when I was younger, but for some reason the older I get, and after I saw this episode, I think it was of Simpsons, when Bart said, well, having a bath is just like laying in your own filth, really. And ever since then, I've always thought of that anytime I've had a bath. So I will probably maximum take about 5 baths a year. Like, the reason I took a bath the other day was because I had a really intense yoga session. For those of you that don't know, I started yoga about 3 months ago. My body was aching, like seriously aching, because I had a really intense session, so I needed to lay in the bath. So that is the only time you'll see me stick one of these in the bathtub. But again, with the whole layering thing, so I can lie in the bath with this lovely smell, and then use the shower gel, and then use the body spray after. I also picked up 2 more of their other shower gels that they released for the holidays and the Christmas season. This one is called Ectoplasm. For those of you that don't know what ectoplasm is, Ghostbusters, ectoplasm is the goo that you get from ghosts, and it's kind of like this nuclear yellow sort of colour. But oh my God, it smells beautiful. It says on it, it's a shower scream, haha. Oh, actually, this is not for the holidays, is it then? This must be for Halloween, right? Oh, I'm going to have to buy more then, because I'll get rid of it soon. Oh, it smells gorgeous. And it says, shower scream when you're feeling a bit disembodied. Tangerine and grapefruit oils to help you return to the land of the living. So it's a very kind of fruity smelling tangerine, grapefruit sort of scent. It's gorgeous. It's like a very uplifting sort of scent. The kind of ones that you need to wake you up in the morning. So again, I bought the medium sized version of this. And then the other one that I got is from the Christmas collection. It's called Cinders Shower Gel. And it says, a little magic goes a long way. And with deeply conditioning pumpkin seed oil and cooling aloe vera, you'll leave the shower feeling transformed. and it's also got Brazilian orange and almond essential oils. It smells like marzipan, but like sweet marzipan. That's the only way I can describe it. It smells so good that I bought a small one as well. Now, I go to the gym. I go to the gym 3 times a week, and then I used to go 4 times a week, and I replaced one day with yoga. So in order to go to the gym, I always like have something to, obviously, like a shower afterwards. So I tend to take these little ones with me, and that's the reason why I bought this. Especially because out of all of these, I swear this one I just loved so much that I wanted to start using it ASAP, and it's beautiful. I will definitely repurchase probably all 3 of these at some point. I also bought 1 more of their bath bombs. I didn't get any of their bath, the other bath thingies that they've got. What are they called? You know, the ones that you crumble underneath the tap. I got this one, which is the classic Lush Pud. This one smells a little bit different to their normal Lush Pud, because their normal Lush Pud is normally brown and it looks like a Christmas pudding. This one is like a more fruity Lush Pud. It doesn't really say how or why or anything like that, but I just wanted to show you guys. Look how cute it is. Oh my god, look at my hand! My receipt, in case you were wondering. So the Snow Fairy Jelly Bomb, oh my god, there's pink stuff everywhere. The Snow Fairy Jelly Bomb cost £5, pricey. The body spray, £20. This Cinders Shower Cream, £5.50. The big one, $10.95. Snow Fairy Shower Gel costs $9.95. Why does that cost less? Why does the other one cost £1 more? Weird. So does the Ectoplasm, is also $10.95. I wonder why they decided to charge less for Snow Fairy. And then the Lush Pud costs $4.95. So that's just a little expensive haul that I thought I'd show you guys here. Now I have to figure out how to get rid of this mess that I've made. But what are you guys going to get? Do you love Snow Fairy as much as I do? I know that those of you that absolutely love Snow Fairy are going to definitely get this as well. I think they've got other Snow Fairy things as well, and a few other items as part of their holiday collection. But these were the ones that I would definitely use pretty much every day. Obviously, like I said, with the shower gels, not the shower one, you can only use them once. And then the other things were just like, not really that keen. Plus, I'd spent about nearly £70, so I kind of had to stop. So that's it. Oh, in case you're wondering, Casper, it is October after all. And I got this from Zara, by the way. My spider earrings are from Primark. Lipstick is Rock Sand by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little mini quick Lush haul for the holidays. I hope you guys are great and wonderful. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I will see you all soon. Bye.